So here now, boys, I just wanted to work through that first exercise on page 80. First step, find the reactions in A and B. So if we want to do a sum of the moment about B, we are looking at clockwise direction being positive. So our 40 is spinning anti-clockwise, and we've got 3 meters, so 40 times 3, negative 40 times 3, plus 30 spinning in the same direction anti-clockwise times 9. And then we've got a reaction going up at A there, and we can call that RA if you like. RA is spinning in a clockwise direction, so that's going to be a positive value. So RA times our 12 equals 0. I'll let you go through the transposing of that. A is equal to 32.5 kilonewtons. We can use our sum of the moments, some of our vertical forces. Sum of our vertical forces is equal to 0, and then we subtract our 32.5 from 70 and gives me 37.5 kilonewtons. So I've gone through that fairly quickly, as that's material that we have covered in the past. So now, guys, it's time to do a shear force diagram. So the first thing we need to do is be able to set some sort of table up. Now, if I was to be doing this in an exam and I wasn't given any sort of help, one quick way is to just sketch down from your distances above. We know that that's halfway, if I wanted to use that. And that gives me some sort of values that I can use to make my diagram. I then can put a midline in. If I think I'm going up to 30 kilonewtons. So if I wanted to go 1, 2, probably looking at that as a midline. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to give me some sort of simple table I can use to construct this. That's our 0 value. This meters are 3, 6, 9, 12. That's distance. And we've got force, kilonewtons up the side, and that is shear force. So how do we make this? Using that information from above, we can say that our first reaction at A was worth 32.5 kilonewtons. So from our first point we go up to 32.5 kilonewtons. I better put in those values of 10, 20, 30, 40, negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40. So I'm going to go straight up for 32.5, bit of a guess, it's about there. Pen's died. 32.5 to there, and we're going straight across until we come to the next force there, 30 kilonewtons at 3 meters. So that's straight across. Then we need to come down for 30 kilonewtons. So that's going to be just short. It's going to be 2.5 short because we went up 32.5, we're only coming down 30. Then the next force is our 40. That lines up with our 9. So we're going straight across. I'm just sketching this. You guys can do this nice and neatly with a ruler. To there. From that point, it's going down 40. We're going down 40. So that's 2.5 to there, so we've got to go another 37.5 down to there. And then we're straight across to the next force and back to 0. So that value there was 2.5. So this value here was negative 37.5. Adding those two travels together gives us the 40 kilonewtons. And that is our shear force diagram.